Hi everyone, Carole's here. Today I'm going to attempt a kiss pour. I've never done one before, so this is an experiment. We'll see if it turns out. If it turns out, I will post this video. If it doesn't turn out, I will scrap this canvas. So I'm pouring down a black base, and I've watered down this paint. Hopefully I've watered it down enough. Just going to spread it out so my pour has something to flow on. I'm just going to use some extra paints I have that I'm trying to use up. This is a 9 by 12 canvas panel, which when I do these heavier pours, they tend to warp a little bit, and this is an Artist one, but you can fix them. I've done it before. Okay, this is quite enough paint. All right, so I've got 2 little cups that I'm gonna fill. One is gonna be with black. And this is black Artist Loft. I don't know really how much to use, not a lot. All right, I've finished with the black. Just saw a little. Okay, so I'm going to use, where did all that come from? Little flecks here. All right, I'm going to pour my paints into my little cup. I have red, Bright Red by Artist Loft. Whatever goes in last comes out, first comes out last. So what colors do I want down first? I think I want the dark to come out at the beginning, so I'll put it in last. So I'm going to start with some gold on the bottom. Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Metallic Gold. I think I'll put some burnt sienna beside it. And then I'll put some yellow. This is a pale yellow. Ooh, it had a little bit of red on my lid. Oh, I wonder how that happened. Oh well, might be like a little orangey color in there. And then I'll put some red. And then some white. So I only have about a half a cup of each, so we'll see how this goes. And I don't believe there's any silicone in these paints. Okay, so got a little bit more white on top. And I guess the idea is to pour at steady pace, steady hands. Pour it in the same puddle and then move it back and forth. So here goes. Maybe I'm going too fast. I'm not sure. Woo! Wow! Look at that. So I'm just going to move it a little bit. See what happens. That yellow is underneath. Come back again. Sure looks cool. I was going to try and make this a feather, but I still could, I guess. We'll see. Maybe I'll just leave it the way it is. Let this end piece strip off a little bit. I'm going to put it back a bit. I think I'm gonna see. Looks very interesting. Straw here somewhere. Got some little white marks on my paint. Well, what do you think I should do here? Try going this way a little more to stretch it. Well, I think it's worth keeping. Okay. You can see all that. I'll hold it up for you. awesome. Look at those cells down there. That's where the yellow came out. So cool. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I think it looks great. Thanks for watching, and I'll put the dried results at the end. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications when I do a new one. Like and comment below if you feel like it. And come back soon to Carole's Art Room. Have a great day. Bye. Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you my dried kiss pour. It dried pretty good. It did warp because it was on a panel and there was quite a bit of paint there. But I did fix it, wetting the back, laying it down, putting something heavy on it, and it's fine now. But it dried nice and smooth. This will look really good varnished. There is a bit of a mark where the black paint went over the other black paint, but that'll all go away when it's varnished. So I'm happy with it. It's kind of funky. All right, thanks for coming by. Have a good day. Bye-bye.